past few days, before I continue, I had to lay my basis. Dear Senator, John Mbata, Senator John Mbata, congratulations on your recent emergence as the President General of Igbo. While I congratulate you, I have so many things to say. And in addition, sir, dear Senator, I want to bring this to your focus and notice that during your time and during your tenure, during your regime in office as President General of Igbo, I need you to break history. I need you to increase the profile by urging the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to foster and do the needful by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, whose case has been in the courts, but it is obvious that the court has no charges. The federal government has no charges against him. And for the sake of peace, equity, and unity, his release shouldn't be by beg, plead, or as a means of subscribing to political agenda. It should be as a result of what is due to take place, that the judiciary may be seen, or will be seen, or should be seen as a credible institution that should speak or stick to what is right. Having said that, sir, I pray this becomes your view. I pray this becomes one of your greatest and best achievements at first. Then I also attached the picture of Anyi Dons here. I'm going to say something about him shortly. And I'm not doing this that he may be tagged. Now, Senator John Mbata, I read an unconfirmed news on the internet, on Facebook, that Senator John Mbata was suspended from Council of Traditional Rulers in Rivers State and in Ikwere land majorly. And so far and so on, the news is yet unconfirmed. But I will lay my foundations according to the utterances that some of us whom are born and raised here in River State, we have seen. A couple of times I have heard some elders of Ikure extraction, some people or some persons saying that they are not Igbos because they need to build on division has been in their mind for the sake or for the benefit of their own personal political interest and gain. But I want to remind them one thing. Senator John Mbata, you've been a man many of us knows and we have followed and watched closely from River State to the national level. First, I used to tell people that it takes a core Igbo man, a core Ikwere man, to respect the grave of his ancestors. At first, there was a time some people came to buy the land exactly beside your compound in Eneka. Millions of naira were offered and you said no. You stick to your ground. You said even if you are not using this land for anything, even if your father, the Mbata himself, is not using this land for anything, at least let the commoners come there and play. It can be turned as playground. Anybody who knows there, if the person goes there now, they must see up to 15 or 20 cows. People brought to your place as a sign of appreciation and thank you for one or two things you've done for them. Then by the right hand of your father's compound where you live, there is also a playground there where you secured and ignored. You also said that if churches wishes to run programs or thereabouts for cultural festival and even for any other religious need, that they should go there and use that empty space. A lot of people do not know about this. So, Senator, I am encouraging you for your emergence as the President General of Nnamdi Kanu. It is not accidental. It is because your DNA speaks Igbo. But I want to remind some persons who goes about saying this thing. There's a place they call Umebele in Oyibo local government. There was a great man by name Eze Sunday Njoku, His Royal Majesty King Sunday Njoku of the blessed memory. When this man existed or was still alive in Umebele, I can count people that man gifted lands. He asked them to build their houses, both security, both cook, and many others. Some persons who served in the community, he gave them land, encouraged them, support them to build a house. Some persons from Akwa Ibom, Eze Sunday Njoku, I know, built houses for, gave them free land and built houses for them. Eze Sunday Njoku is the father of Honorable Dan and late Fushon. There was a day the man came to Ikane Junction. There was a man, he gifted the land, and he said, I am doing this good to you because we the Igbos does good. That statement, I heard it at his age as at then, about 80 or 80 something. The man acknowledged that he's an Igbo. Now he built house for somebody and said he's doing it because in his DNA as Oni Igbo, this is what they do. The Igbos are these people who goes about developing anywhere they go. They regard humanity. They build the homes for the less privileged. In fact, I can tell you, my network was bad. So, all right, my network is bad because of my location. So, I'm going to stop this video shortly. But let me make this point. So, they have been encouraged and continue your job or your duty as Oni Igbo. Nobody can deny you your Igbo heritage, and nobody can question your DNA. As long as you are an Igbo by birth, by tribe, by blood, no one is capable to make any other option. So congratulations to you. Then, Aidons, I want to use this opportunity to thank you. It's a very short and brief video. Last year, I watched where Aidons gifted some of his cars, some of his band crew. He gifted them cars and money. It's not as if this man does not pay them, he does. And this year again, shortly this morning I saw a video where Ayidons returned this, did the same thing this year. And I want to ask other Igbo celebrities, do you do the same to those people working with you? A businessman, I want to ask you, drinking St. Louis of 4-point-something million naira, 3-point-something million naira a bottle is very, very good on your birthdays. But those working under you, sir, are they well taken care of? Are they okay? Do you actually feel for them? Do you consider them? Do you think of how to make them great and wonderful? Then celebrities. Getting a Rolls Royce Kulana is very, very good. Kulana is good. Rolls Royce Phantom 10 is important, is also good. G63 and thereabouts, they are all good cars. But I want to ask you, those people who stood by you under rain, under sun, these past years, are they comfortable? How are they doing? Do they have houses in their village? Or do you run online show? Or do you try to be relevant as a billionaire while your staffs and your workers has nothing to write home about? It's a simple question that deserves a mind answer, a conscience answer and response. Sir, madam, there is a lady carrying bag for you as Wunyoga, as Wunye billionaire. Madam, you have access to money. Madam, you have gifted all your sisters and all your cousins brand new cars, and monies has been paid into their accounts to start life. Madam, that lady carrying bag for you, calling you mommy, mommy. She cleans your nails. She plaits your hair. She cooks at the kitchen. The best clothes she wears are just the ones you gifted her, and they are oversized to her. Madam, you right now, you've grown beyond or above that level. Madam, and you want to sell that watch to Aboki, it's not as if you don't have money, but because it's gold watch. Therefore, your maid or that person serving you, or that your PA, so she does not deserve such wonder. Before I continue my message, I want to sing this song for you. Ibonye na-emegbu onye na-enweghị mmadụ, chetanu Chukwu n'ọkwele gị, n'ihi na na-emesịa n'ọgwụ gị, brọda, n'ihi na na-emesịa n'ọgwụgwụ ndụ a, ụgwọ ọlụ gị n'ọkweche gị. Suspended from this page immediately. No. Totally blocked. Next person. Bushman. I want to block this person before I continue. You are all welcome here, Governor Zokwezi Olilanya. Oga celebrity. My network is bad. I'm on the road going home. Oga celebrity. You have money, you have good cars. How is life treating those working with you? Your cameraman as a content creator. Yes. No. Your cameraman as a content creator must have played one role in your life that your cousins wouldn't have played. But this last Xmas, your cousins received enough money. They received gift from you. In fact, the car you traveled with, you ought to leave it for one of your brother. But the cameraman has been with you for years. Yes, you pay him salary. What other values have you placed in his or her life? Content creator, celebrity, musician. We've seen those people who follows you about. We've seen your team. How is life treating them? Are they blessed out of the blessings God has given to you? Or are they groaning? Is that man age? When you type this name, wisdom begins to flow upon me. When you type, just like when I want to teach and I say the Shaddamites. I'm here where about to. Olilanya. Now, from year to year, we watch and he does do the same thing. And he does blesses those people who joined in his dream to become whom he is today. There are some of our uncles, there are some of our brothers, there are some of our friends. A man was telling me something today. He showed me evidences how he helped a speaker. He made the speaker whom the speaker is. The first thing the man became, the moment he became speaker, was to block this man who helped you with evidences. Says he disturbs you a lot. Yes, I agree. It's not good to call you on the phone always. Thank you, Martin. Thank you. It is in my place in Ngopala where we have some wonderful billionaires, but I have watched some of them on camera where they donated millions of naira. Oga, just after his compound, the next house is there, they are all red mud. He doesn't care. Who is a billionaire in Lagos? He's a billionaire in Trade Fair. The few of them who got government positions, they never cared about the people. There is one thing I have pointed out in life. Teachers who taught these billionaires in primary schools, have you seen any of them went back at least to pay a visit to that woman, to that man, to that papa, to that mother who taught you in primary and secondary school? People don't remember. Doctors saw the 4 square walls of the primary school. Has that touched their conscience to go and pay visit to these great people who taught them? Teachers are powerful, but they are not always remembered. It's a hook, it's an arrow that pierces upon everyone. Teachers are this kind of people who shouldn't depend on their children alone, because they've raised many. Time to time, year to year, generation to generation, they've done exploit. Those pilots you see flying you inside airplane, they are teachers, people who taught them. They are back somewhere suffering. Even their children, you avoided them. Obimdi ebino, Obimdi ebino, Obimdi o, Chionye wem, Obimdi ebino. Ebino ya negwu adịghị m, ebino ya nsogbu adịghị. Obimdi ebino, Obimdi Ebina obindio Ebina Ndundi Ebina Obiamandi Ebina It is like that. Somebody said that, but I've never seen you done one. Let me tell you this, Thomas. I'm on live section. I'm on live section, okay? Amongst the angels. God there's no Kuba before you. No one is like unto you. Alright, somebody said Chinenye Israel. You said, but I have not seen you done it now. I put my trust in you. You know, if I talk sometimes, some of you will think we'll tag it to be pride. This is a live video. Let me reduce the music and tell you this. My driver takes a salary of 50,000 home monthly, as little as that. Then weekly he goes home with allowance. That's 2. 3. If I buy slippers, I must buy from him immediately. I have another young man who works with me. Sometimes you see him on camera. That one, the same. If I want to buy clothes, if I don't have money to buy 3, even if it's one I want to buy, I'll buy for them. The same if I am buying turkey, all of them will go home with one turkey shirt. And my driver does business in my presence with my name, out of my business, I mean from my business. He does and make his profits. He's building a 3-bedroom apartment for himself. In fact, there is a place I am building 2 houses for 2 widows currently. I have done one last year and we started one again. In that project, my driver alone is the only person who supported me. He gave me 10 bags of cement. Sometimes you see him around me on camera. Those people who were at JPAC's wedding, even some Chernobyl on SSS. He's building a 3-bedroom apartment of his own. I didn't add shishi to it. So our salary 50,000 koja go like that. It is not. And every business I do, everything I do, if I'm in Lagos, if my container lands in Lagos, he comes there with me. In my presence, he will ask me, this one, or this one, or I will tell him. If he sells it more than that, I give him his money. He's sitting here. I give him that his own gain immediately. Sometimes I bring the other Toyota Corolla you see me drive. Sometimes my container comes with it 4. If it were the time I sell it for 4.2 million at that time, you'll be the one to convert the hand if you buy it that price as at then. He has once sold one of that car 4.5 million naira. No, he sold it 4.7 and made gain of 500,000. I gave him his money instanta. Dear. For Lagos. Ask JPAC, ask many of them, ask those who knows me. If I'm coming to Lagos, he enters the same flight with me. Even when we on our room, most of whom will follow me. hardly see me come out alone. They will follow me. The same thing I eat, the same clothes. In fact, I don't give you the one I have worn before. That's to be new one. As I speak to you, we are building 2 houses for widows. We started it very recently and it is moving. And in a short while we'll do that. I have also done one before. I started from one. I don't want to talk about relatives. Then during the COVID-19, I printed 3,000 exercise books and shared across Ngobal. I can show you the evidence here. Other things we've done. Just that me, I don't believe in camera something. This past Christmas, you know, I donated cup in my community. They played it at the end of the day because I was at the field that day. The moment I touched the microphone, few friends who were there gave 700,000. Some of our brothers also, those who live abroad, some gave 500, some 200, some just like that. We raised good money there. I still supported again after the donation of the cup. My community people are watching here. The solar system, the solar street lights in my village, I put it. I installed them. The first caterpillar that came to my village, I brought it. The second one, I brought it. I've done it severally, you won't know. This is live broadcast. So if I am lying, people from my community can tell to that. I've been able in my own little capacity to pick one person and send abroad, and we have another one. But Shebi says we must shade for camera. We don't preach what we don't do. We are preaching what we practice. If God give us life, if God be God, if God give us life, if God give us life. So that thing you saw people coming out to during the election, you see people putting their head, putting their strength, supporting us. They know what they are doing.